Hi everybody. Here we got a raised bed, a metal raised bed. It's like 32 inches tall. These things require a lot of soil. So one of the ways you can save some money and is to fill in the bottom. You can use something called hugelkultur. You can put logs on the bottom, then branches, then leaves, grass trimmings, and so forth, and then you can add the top foot and a half or something like that. You can add then your good soil on that, and that'll save you a good amount of money and help you fill it up. I'm up to the point now where I'm going to start adding the good soil, and then it'll be on to planting. Okay, so here we're going to make a soil mix. So I usually take compost. This bag has cow manure and compost in there. And then we'll take some. Here we have some that's just peat moss that we're going to add in there, and mushroom compost. I usually get the cheapest one that I can find, and this mix works pretty well. So now we're going to add peat moss, and then we'll add some vermiculite, and that'll get us a good mix right there. Okay, so there I have my mix of about 1/3 vermiculite, 1/3 compost, and 1/3 peat moss. And now we're going to mix it up. Until it's well mixed. And then we'll be ready to use it and fill up our beds. And this mix makes a pretty good growing medium. So you can buy, the cheaper soil and compost and so forth you find at the store, and then you mix it up, and then it'll save you money, especially when you got to make a good amount for large beds that require a lot of soil. It can get pretty expensive. So this is a way to cut down on the cost, and you still get some pretty good soil for growing your vegetables.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I?
Okay, so here's the finished product. It's filled to the top. It's going to go down over the next few days, so I'll add some more, and then we'll be ready to plant.